Good afternoon, navigation traders and all you traders out there. Um, had a red day today, and I really didn't feel like I traded that bad. Ended up down right here, minus 735 for the day. Um, but really, the thing with today was a couple things that didn't go my way. One was really an anomaly that you just don't see very often. That's Target. Took a minus $1,021 loss on Target. I'll show you that here in a second. Um, Mighty 90s did really good. I had a Microsoft. Actually, this was entered it twice, once long, once short, plus 447, and then Facebook 195, Tesla 220, Nvidia 245. So over $1,000 in the Mighty 90 strategy, and the runners are what got me. Baidu, I was profitable there, and then that fell apart. Boeing, I cut my losses. That was almost a scratch trade. Snap fell apart, minus 552. So that left me with the runners did not perform well, and minus 735 for the day. So let's take a look. And first up, let's take a look at the Mighty 90s Microsoft. So in Microsoft, it got a big bar right here, higher than the previous one. So I got long right here, wrote it up. I think I ended up closing it out about well, actually, I closed it out. I think it was right about in here when it pushed up to this last one. Usually, I have them closed out by the second green bar, and then I actually, when it hit this pivot, put on a reversal and got caught some down to here too. So plus 447 Facebook. Okay, Facebook. I entered right here. It went against me a little bit, but then it ripped up, and when it got up to this pivot, I closed it out, and so that was a nice 195 winner. Tesla had a Mighty 90 symbol right here on this push down, so I got long right here, and I wrote it up. I think I ended up cutting it all loose once it got right here on this third push up bar right here. I think I left one I got in with a couple contracts, had them closed out by the time I got to about right there. So that was a nice 220 winner. And then Nvidia, where are you at? Nvidia, there you are. So this Mighty 90, I got long right here, higher volume than this one, and then took a little heat, closed out 10%. It started to go down on me again, then it pushed up. And on this second one, I got out right here with the second green bar. Nice Mighty 90 plus 245. So I was really happy with that one. Let's go to the runners, Baidu. So in Baidu, here's Baidu over here. So Baidu had this really long volume bar right here. Let me blow this up a little bit. Had this really long volume bar. So if we waited for a pullback and got the pullback. It took a little heat for a little bit, kept pushing down. Got out of half of it on these push-ups here, but then it just started to fall apart, and then it fell apart on me, and I lost my profits. I actually tried to re-enter. Let me get trying to see a little bit more here. I tried to re-enter on this bounce up here. Actually, it fell apart, and where did I re-enter? So, once it hit this pivot, I tried to re-enter, and hopefully to get more upside right here, and then it just continued to fall apart. So that re-entry ended up hurting me, minus 386. Snapchat. Snap has not been my friend lately. I don't know how much more I'm going to trade it. Had big volume bar here, so we're looking for a pullback. Got the pullback, hoping it would continue upward, and it kind of slowly was chopping around. Then it just fell apart, and I believe I tried to add. I think I tried to add right here, and it continued to fall apart. Got a little bit back, continued to fall apart. I think I ended up getting out of most of it on this bounce right here. So minus 552. And then finally Target. Let's see. Gosh, just type it in. Okay, so Target had this really big volume bar here. Actually, no, let me take that back. I got in as a runner on this. Where was it at? Pullback. Oh, right, staring me right in the face. Let me blow this up a little bit. So in Target, I got long on this pullback right here for continued upside runner, and it just fell apart. And somebody in the community, Steve mentioned this in his recap. So Target had earnings, and so that's why it did so well out the gate. Whatever this was came out. It didn't come out during earnings, but there was some news that, gosh, I don't even remember. It was something with somebody had spent billions of dollars or something with. Oh yeah, what's this right here? Said that the article was. That's not it. Anyway, something where some news came out that was negative for Target, and then it just fell apart. And so it was in free fall mode. And I actually, on this bounce, I got out of everything, and on this bounce, got short and collected some profits. And gosh, I was probably only down about a few $100s, but on this bounce, I couldn't get out. It happened so quickly, and then finally I got out, like up here somewhere, and ended up just being a not very good trade. So, oh, Peloton 185. Let me show you that one real quick. Peloton. So in Peloton, okay, let me find the times here. So in Peloton, I was looking for a continual downside runner, and so I got a bounce right here, got in and booked like 10% profit, came up, lost a little bit, and then held it till about, I think it was about this bar right here that I ended up getting out, so plus 185. So maybe if I would have continued to hold it, things have continued downward, but by that time I was ready to be done trading. It was already, 11 o'clock, and I usually try to be done by then. So ended up minus 735, and we'll be back at that tomorrow. Now tomorrow, if you want to watch what we're doing, that Zoom, it'll be posted on my Facebook. It'll also be posted on our day trading Facebook, day trading options for income, navigation trading. You can get on tomorrow. Don't have to be a member, and watch and listen to us trade. So 8:30, try to jump on a little bit sooner. And you can kind of see what it's like whenever we are trading the first hour and a half of the market. So hope to see you then. Say hi. Catch you later. Peace.